This is our Exitrax Ultimate Series recovery board. It has a one-of-a-kind patented no ramp design that you won't find on any other recovery board on the market today. G'day guys, TK from Mother here, and I'm going to show you today why Exitrax are the best recovery boards on the market. No ramp means the board has a flat top, the angle's underneath. Without a ramp on top, we achieve a lower approach angle, which gives better grip, uses less power, reduces your wheel spin, making the tire gauge sooner, resulting in an easier, more effective recovery. Now, another great feature on the Exitrax is our strategically placed ground engagement teeth to help you get yourself out of those sticky situations. Also, with our ultra tough cleats across the face of the board, it really locks that tire in to give you ultimate grip and reduces your tire spin. Now, all our Exilink boards come in a 2-pack, and they also come standard with a set of leashes, as well as a great range of accessories from mounts to links and bags. Now, the best feature on the Ultimate 1150 Exitrax boards is the Exilink. What does that allow you to do? It allows you to link two boards together to give you extra traction to get out of some of those really sticky situations, as well as it gives you a base for your high lift jacks. Turn the Ultimate board over, put the Exilink in, now you've got a real stable surface in any sandy or muddy environment. So now you know why Exitrax are the best recovery boards on the market. So for more information, jump on our website, www.memother.com.au.